Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to factorize this particular algebraic expression, and I see 4 terms. So therefore, Mr. Tan will group them out into 2 groups, the blue color group and the green color group, and I'm going to take out common factor m for the blue color group. I'm left with n minus m. For the green color group, positive 2. I'm left with n minus m. And the moment you do this, then we can see that the bracket n minus m is a common factor that we could take them out. And I'm left with m plus 2. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.